How's it going? My name is Chris, and today I'm going to show you how to enable tethering for your iPhone 3G with the 3.0 update. Again, I'm going to show you how to enable tethering for your iPhone 3G with the 3.0 update. Basically, you should already know that tethering is another feature that pretty much a lot of smartphones have. Unfortunately, the iPhone does not have it. And when they came out with the 3.0 update, it was believed that it was going to have it enabled. And unfortunately, they have not enabled it. So I found a website that actually shows you how to do it. And I actually installed it on my iPhone. Um, the site, as I'm going to show you right here, is right there. That's called help.benm.app. Now what you want to do is you want to use this website on your cell phone, on your iPhone. Now what you do is you start up your Safari web browser, and you can basically type this into the address bar, or you can use either the Google or Yahoo, search engine, whichever one you have set for your default search engine. And when you're done, it's basically going to bring you to a screen basically like this. It's going to say iPhone Help Center. And then basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll down, scroll about halfway down, and you're going to come to a bunch of settings. The top of it's going to say internet or tethering and internet settings, and you'll see something that says mobile configurations download, and it'll basically just tell you here you can find and install the right settings from your provider. With these files you can enable mobile, web, and tethering. So basically you're going to hit mobile configurations where it says download, and then it's going to bring you to the next screen, which is your countries. Basically, it's the USA, depending on where you're from. But basically, you would just select whichever country you're from. Basically, here it's the U.S. because I live in Alaska. Once you click on your country, it's going to bring you to another screen. Now, depending on if you have your phone unlocked, basically, if your phone is capable of going to, you're capable of using your phone on various different GSM carriers. You're gonna come to either the AT&T or the T-Mobile configuration. If you have AT&T, if your phone is locked, like most people's, mine is locked to AT&T, you would select on the AT&T, and then basically what it does is it brings you to another screen that says iSettings. Just basically your settings, and then basically what it's going to do is it's going to want you to install a profile. Now once you install that, you will have to reboot your phone, and then once you're done, what you do is you go back into the settings where your settings are at, and then what you're going to do is you're going to want to go into general in your settings. Now here in the general where it says about, then it says usage, and then networks, you're going to want to click on network. And basically once you're done under network, you're either going to have it'll tell you enable 3G, data roaming, and then right under data roaming it'll have internet tethering. Now by default when you download it and it's installed, it's disabled. What you're going to want to do is you're going to go into, oh, that's not it. That's not it. You go into about. Oh, that's not it. Hold on. You're actually going to go into Wi-Fi. Or no, not Wi-Fi. It's been a while since I've done this already, so it's been a while since I've actually used it. Okay, actually it's in general. what you do is you go back in after you've checked the network and you've looked and see if it was installed. The profile that you're going to go under would be AT&T USA. This is the same profile that you used when you installed it. You basically click on that, and basically it gives you the same install that you had. Now you can remove that if you don't wish to have the internet tethering, enabled, or if you don't want the internet tethering at all. Um, but basically, as far as from what I understand, they're not going to have tethering yet. So you might want to just keep it just in case, because you never know. You may travel somewhere out of the network area, and or you might want to have your laptop with you. You may want to use it instead of your cell phone. Basically, you can use it basically for that reason alone. So that's pretty much it. That's how you download and enable tethering for your iPhone 3G. It's pretty simple. Really can't really mess it up at all, and that's it.